In front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First, open Settings and choose Device Connect, available here. Sorry, misclick. Now scroll, click on Print, and when you're ready, select Default Print Service or tap on Add Print Service and use any other one you wish to. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way, so just tap on yours and make sure this switcher at the top right corner is blue. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect though, enable print service, and when you do, wait for plus icon to show at the top right corner. Click on it, tap on search for Wi-Fi direct printers, hit allow, tap on go, select this switcher next to use location and go back. Then tap on search again and wait for your device to find your printer. If it doesn't work, you can always choose search by IP address, import it here, and connect manually by selecting add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!